All right, guys, we are ready to write our conclusion paragraph. Hopefully you have decided which type of conclusion you want to write based off that poster. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, so in your conclusion paragraph, it's important to, just like with your introduction, to restate your main idea. So I'm going to say electricity is the most important, and I'm thinking I'm using the word important a lot. Maybe when we go back and we go to revise, I can find a better word for that. I might even make myself a little note. So electricity is the most important type of energy to me. Now, I've decided, I found a quote that I'm going to include at the end, and then I'm going to have you remember something also. So, my quote is the famous Stephen Hawking once said, comma, if you do a quote, then you have to use quotation marks to show this is what the person actually said. By 2600, so the year 2600, the world population would be standing shoulder to shoulder and the electricity consumed would make the earth glow red hot. All right, that's what he said. Now, when I read that, I was like, oh man, if we use that much electricity that we're making our planet glow red hot, then I need people to remember that they need to be responsible and turn off lights. And when they're not using it, unplug it, okay? You're still using electricity even when things are plugged in and you're not using it. So I wanted to leave my readers with the idea of we need to be responsible. So I'm going to write, please be responsible with electricity. I can't put the symbol for and flip the switch off. Alright, that's my conclusion. I want you to go and write your conclusion, upload a picture of it, and next week we get to publish. And I'll give you a couple of days to publish next week.